हेलो। क्या बातें हो रही हैं? क्या बातें हो रही हैं? इतनी बातें। हेलो। इतनी बातें। इतनी बातें करते हैं जाना है। आप दोनों की आई थिंक आप दोनों का वो यू गाइस आर लाइक इट्स आवर टाइम नाउ। यू एंड जानवी लाइक इट्स आवर टाइम ना, एंड सबकॉन्शियसली आप लोगों ने अपना टाइम शुरू कर दिया। अरे यार बहुत ऊपर जाना है, तो मेरे को मिस आउट नहीं करना। इट्स या तो मेरे बिना ही शुरू हो गया ना। आई एम किडिंग। मैं भाई तुम कितनी बातें करी आज। बिली आइलिश, एमरल्ड हेयर ग्रीन कलर, लोकल लाइम हेयर कलर। इसमें आर यू देयर एज वेल जानवी? नो यू नॉट। मुझे लगा तुम्हारी भी फोटो होगी। we'll help एक सेकेंड। कुछ कॉर्ड शॉट मारते हैं साथ में। ओह आई नो व्हाट टू डू। Go for it. अगर साल समंदर पर प से ऊपर है तो जानवी रखें या फिर ट्राना हाइड रखें? यू गाइस डिसाइड व्हाट डू यू वांट टू बी। सब एक्चुअली सा से नीचे रखते हैं। सा से नीचे ट्राना हाइड रखते हैं और सा से ऊपर जानवी। नहीं, सारे गा से नीचे रखते हैं। चलो गा तक ट्राना हाइड। यार ओके यूर सा से ऊपर। गो फॉर इट IDK। IDK I barely have reached but I miss my hair color phase. I have a lot of color left. वापस कर लो please, please. Wow, this could take a while. This could take a lot. I know. तो हम पूरी नहीं पढ़ेंगे, तो वापस करो। I can, my mom will kill me. It was the only reason she let me get mine. Yeah, not why I care much, because it's mine. It's my head. I have bleached. जब बोलना मैंने तो already जिंदा लाश हूँ। Yes, this video made me dizzy. Noise, but it's allowed in your PG? No, बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा. No, I'm at my friend's house. Sorry. Oh, you're so... Your house sitting also. Yes, it's all mine. I get to cook and sing freely to them. Can't wait, wow. Oh, it's giving Shishi Manshu vibes. Then there is a... अब एक ऑडियो नोट है जानवी. Am I allowed to play? नींबू पानी. तो आज की ड्रिंक. That's crazy.
So basically, this girl who stays in Bangalore, who I don't talk to, by the way, I'm not very, I don't associate myself with her anymore, but I can coexist with her. And that same dog park guy, who I don't want to come, like, the person I don't want in the dog park, and we also interned together in the same place last year, okay, for 6 months. And we had this PM, who I guess got along the most with me, because I mean we could.
What is a PM?
It was a good team basically. Like our teamwork was good together. And now, so all three of us live in Bangalore, but that PM has reached out to me saying that he will be in Bangalore next week, and it will be great if we catch up. So he wants to meet me. Now I don't want to tell Kangshita and Ashwani what to do.
PM क्या होता है? Project manager. Okay.
So all three of us live in Bangalore, but that PM has reached out to me saying that he will be in Bangalore next week, and it will be great if we catch up. So he wants to meet me. Now I don't want to tell Kangshita and Ashwani what to do.
You see what I mean when I say it's as if I don't have life separated from him. Oh, his life but a series of undesired situation. मैं मत बताओ और मिल लो अकेले in my opinion. And yeah, you don't know anyone anything. Yeah, okay. This guy has worked in such amazing lot of companies. The PM, yeah, referral, Mangalo, Infosys, Microsoft, Google, and now I do, but log down Twitter and Goldman. Goldman Sachs. Two. करना पड़ता है. I'll ask him for advice on my portfolio instead. I've never asked for a referral. extroverted lol. Matlabi, like you're talking to a person just for that. I mean, yeah, but exactly. I've been asked to give referrals so many times, but I have never asked. Haha. Oh wait, I asked you once, lol. Yeah, I've been answering, even though it's barely been a year for me, lol. I don't think that I send the previous message at the right time. I think I do ask. नहीं ये तो गलत गा दिया, ये तो टाना हेड का नोट है. I think I do ask it as a joke to many people. नहीं टाना हेड का ही तो है, सही गाया मैंने, अपने आप ही सही गाया. I think I do ask it as a joke to many people, but never follow through to food to it. Oh no. Okay. Yeah. It's like a defense mechanism, I guess. Yeah. Yes, I get it. पता नहीं किस चीज से डिफेंड कर रहे हैं. वो भी पैसा होता है, उन पैसा डिफेंस से ज़्यादा stabilized हो जाता है. But I'm working. Ooh. Like no problem. I can imagine. Craw. It's also commonly built in exploring workers. Yeah, you won't believe. So you can expect them to be ethical. It's on the same category as a dog. They have B2B as well. It's not just based on that. B2B में भी तो taxis ही होती हैं, होंगी ना. And the employees have unlimited leave. And Uber service discounts. The full-time employees. Not sure actually. Yes, I don't think I see anything beyond better right now. Let me get back to you after 2 hours, or rather after I get a paying job. Oh, you got photo? I can't see it. I can see this photo. Yeah. ये कोई फोटो है, मैंने उसको लाइक कर दिया गलती से. स्पॉयलर्स दे दिए लॉल. मैं नहीं पढ़ा इतना ध्यान से वो. Friends told that's too easy. I want to make full use of this dog kitchen they've given me. Exploitative fun. There's a reel. Super creamy 1-pot mushroom and chicken. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Coat the chicken with a thin layer of cornstarch. Pan fry the chicken with 3 minutes on each side. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, add an onion, lots of garlic, mushrooms. Add, of course, lots of garlic. Ittu sa tha. Now we're going to a bit of soy sauce, paprika, some Italian seasoning mixed together. Lots of garlic to nahi tha at least. And some cream. And some parmesan cheese. And once the sauce is thickened, add back the chicken. ये भाई tasty तो लग रहा है. पर मैं vegetarian हूँ. और last यही था look. Oh no. भूख लगी. Thumbnail देख के. एक और जानवी ने रील भेजी. Back with another 20-minute dinner. Let's make crispy scallion chicken. Season the chicken with soy sauce. Oh, soy sauce. You know, मैंने आज वेजिटेरियन सुशी मंगवाई थी तो उसने सोया सॉस इस बॉटल में दी. मैंने सोचा यूटीडी पे दिखाऊंगा. ग्रीन अनियन गार्लिक ग्रेटेड. अरे यार समझ गए. भूख लग रही है मुझे देख के. नाउ लुक एट दैट. ये लुक एट दैट वाला गलत सीन है. मेरा भी रिप्लाई है. Now I'll have to wake up and make my food before work starts. Probably no, so I have to decide what I'm eating now itself. I think I'll have those tomorrow for breakfast. What does better fit million mean? There's another reel. Mongolian chicken. Let's make another Chinese takeout dish that's easy to make at home in 20 minutes. Sweet and spicy Mongolian chicken. To make this sauce, mix together cornstarch and water. Then mix in soy sauce, brown sugar, and sesame oil, szechuan, a cube chicken thighs, and shakshuang wine. Chicken evenly with cornstarch. And heat all in hot wok. Fry the chicken in batches for 7 minutes and crispy golden brown. A bit of oil. Ginger, garlic, and dried red chili until fragrant. Pour the sauce and simmer until it's thickened. Pour the chicken, toss and serve. Look at that. तो नहीं करा इन्होंने अब. It's a miscellaneous collection of objects. I do have miscellaneous collection of objects. I've never touched. I think my room is a miscellaneous collection of objects. I've never touched raw chicken. I'm scared of mountain. All dishes are chicken only. That help you can know. It's nice just to feel very tasty. Feels very tasty. But those squishiness I'm imagining is making me all squiggly and weirded out. If it's boneless at least. Guess I will know when I start marinating them. Bone chicken can have weird textures. Yeah, boneless thigh, it's a squishy. You oughta know already. Told no, they stocked up for me. They literally have so many things. That's the tastiest part in my opinion. They like to cook, so I prefer breast though. Yes, okay. This feels like such an evil conversation. बहुत टेस्टी नींबू पानी है. I was a vegetarian. I was a vegetarian. I was a vegetarian 4 years ago. What really done? Yeah, my friends converted me in college law. But if I need by mistake, I'd never इन्वेजन ऑफ प्राइवेसी कर रहा हूँ, मैं चैट पढ़ रहा हूँ आप लोगों की. But I've had me by mistake a Navy parties lots of time because I wouldn't read the name of the dish and just eat them. See the texture is weird, then spit it out the mouth. I want to decrease consumption, I know I can't stop it. Why? I was listening to a podcast about lab. Today we have this conversation 2-3 days ago. Only lol. I don't candy most vegetables. I remember why I think you can start with the vegetables you like now. No, sorry. हाँ चाइना है, ये जो आप कह रहे हो, ये जो प्लांट बेस्ड मीट बना रहे हैं, ये बहुत बिल गेट्स को भी टेस्ट करा है, यूट्यूबर भी बना रहा है, बहुत जगह बन रहा है प्लांट बेस्ड मीट. Oh wait, they take a small fat on animal, grow it in the lab. What the fuck? अच्छा ये actually lab grown meat है. अच्छा, it's not plant based meat. But Rana है. Here is the thing. मैं बहुत पढ़ाई करता रहता हूँ, मेरा भी बहुत कंजम्पशन कम है वेजिटेबल्स का. बट मैं ये पढ़ रहा था कि रॉ चीज़ें स्पेशली वेजिटेबल्स में मैक्सिमम सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी होता है. जैसे तुम हीट करते हो एनर्जी चले जाता है. कच्ची वेजिटेबल्स इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है और वो किसी वो एनिमल में आते आते आधे से आधे हो जाते हैं. बहुत ज़रूरी है वेजिटेबल्स खाना. विटामिन और मिनरल्स का तो वही सोर्स है. Like start with paneer, but I can eat tomatoes, capsicum, beans in moderate quantities now. That's cool. You don't like green chilies? I love green chilies. I think fruits भी खा सकते हो. वेजिटेबल से ज़्यादा ज़रूरी तो मुझे फ्रूट्स लगते हैं कभी कभार. पनीर is not a vegetable. You can do a lot with capsicum. Etc. I eat. You should try paneer stuffed capsicum. I It's a good source of protein. Protein if you want to. All that from the enemy. I can have it as long as there are other items to neutralize the texture. But if it gets too much of in one bite, I puke. What do I do is I mix it with the salt to neutralize the taste. I do bunny every week. If the silence makes me want to puke, what is lol? Testo I like capsicum texture I can't handle. Or I take a to make the taste solid. I care why this is so weird. What kind of textures do you not like? I can try to give solution. Anything I'm not used to, more or less, and it's so really specific. आज तो बहुत सुनाने वाला ही है. I used to be a very picky eater, so I've had all kinds of stuff already wasn't big. No, like almonds I clean, so almonds I'll puke. The only practical solution I've come up with is to pick aloo from birthday for sabzi is made and eat it. You don't like aloo? मैं कहने वाला था आलू का सबसे कम यूज है वेजिटेबल्स में. फिर मैंने रियलाइज करा you were saying you only eat आलू. So I was like, even if you don't eat आलू, it's okay. आपका मेरा हाल है जो मेरा बचपन में था. Exactly same चीज है. अभी भी ऐसा ही है, सिमिलर ही है. मुझे नहीं पता था ये टेक्सचर वाली चीज है. जैसे सोक्ड आलमंड का भी टेक्सचर मुझे नहीं पसंद, और मुझे भी वॉमिटिंग आती थी बचपन में. You don't eat just aloo. You eat pesto too. Use almonds for the dry fruits. पता है मैं कभी क्या करता हूँ, जब मैं almonds वैसे तो उससे बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी निकल जाती है, but I take almonds और उसमें नमक ऐसे मस्त ऐसे पिंक सॉल्ट डालता हूँ और मैं उसको माइक्रोवेव कर लेता हूँ 1.5-2 मिनट में, वो ऐसे पट करके ऐसे रोस्टेड आलमंड बन जाता है, मज़ा आता है। फिर मैं ठंडा होने देता हूँ, फिर मैं खा लेता हूँ। Same banana and any mixture that comes through the park named Malu. He's probably taller than me if he stands on 2 feet. I have to say Janvi है नहीं वो, but ये कितना rhyming था. There's a same banana and an indie mixture that comes to the party Malu. He's probably taller than me if he stands on 2 feet. Yes, this is suitable. No, then, but it's a lot of effort. Last by the summer, a tiny vase of shungam got it, and I threw up the entire room. Wow. Have you ever gotten checked? This check though, yeah, I mean I am able to manage very, but yes I can remove my from my diet. It's an autism symptom. Oh, I see. Oh, I see texture, sound, light, everything. And this isn't not even real. The one I have already even worse too bad that I'm not used to sleeping on. Very difficult. Oh, ये आपका था. Which leaves me incapable of traveling overnight to any place. Very difficult, which leaves me incapable of traveling on a day. I can very much relate to this. And मेरा भी सेम सीन है. मैं कहीं भी जाऊँ मैं किसी बेड पे नहीं सो सकता. अगर मैं उस बेड पे लगातार 5 दिन या 2-3 दिन सोऊं तब जाके मैं सो पाता हूँ, और वो बहुत कंफर्टेबल है. बट मैं अपने बेड पे यार सेम. Makes sense. Different feel. I think मैं बहुत चीज़ों से रिलेट कर रहा हूँ. whatever you said you prefer are the only thing I like, and बाकी vegetables में जबरदस्ती खा रहा होता हूँ. But I want to develop my taste buds now. It's the thought of it touching. Oh नहीं आपका ही है. It's the thought of it touching my skin, like I know it's not the end of the world, but You should read up. मैंने जब आपने बोला था तो थोड़ा तो पढ़ा था. But I just can't. I get it. मैंने YouTube वीडियोस भी देखी थी थोड़ी सी. तब जब आपने बोला था ना. कितने मैसेजेस वाओ. I sleep in sofas in hotels or even chairs, but what? आपको सोफा पे कैसे नींद आ जाती है? I'm okay with that, and for some reason I सोचा कल भाई मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ. And I सोचा तो क्या just show ahead and comfortable, more comfortable thought of a different bed. Wow, क्या बात हो रही है? Oh, hotel bed spreads are always white. Interesting. Yeah, it's lesser of two evil. Wait. You associate white with filthy. It's the lesser of two. I think they keep it white so that you could see कि वो गंदा नहीं है. मैं तो सो ही नहीं सकता बेड के अलावा कहीं. मतलब but that's supposed to be clean. Then again, I can associate with train sheets if you tell me white is filthy. Lol. It's like that's where it comes from. I think we used to travel from train every year, and it used to be horror for me. How interesting. Yeah, I don't like sleeping in new places either. While I lie here right now, for some reason I can't hear the electricity. I just sleep my Canada's 2 years again, and took my own blanket and pillow, and I thought it would be too weird to take my own bed sheet as that rough. I mean, you sleep peaceful and all this, so and I used to blanket out the bed sheet, so I don't have to touch the actual bed sheet. What? That was the last time I was trying. I still couldn't. But I used to take my pillow too. I'm weird about towels also. Till 4-5. I think we do 6 came out probably. I just need to begin early because of one night I began on a sleep cycle of sleep. Okay. I think I'm about to end. I'm very excited to see Avinayak Maya singing this just very diverse. Low like KR. Let's change the topic and for the sake of UTD that's singing. Lamau. I know, right? Guess I was the same tower. मैं भी बहुत कपड़े I think मेरा टावल भी बहुत पुराना है. I think मेरा भी 15 साल पुराना है. But I'm curious. I'm trying to change the UTD children. And what did you do? Last week only. I see. I saw you now like oh sorry आपको जागना होगा. मेरे को भी कल जल्दी उठना. You got late. Oof, it's okay. Tomorrow's breakfast should be decided on EOTD now and but I will sing that too. That was a lot of messages trying to hide. 40 minutes लगे मुझे पढ़ने में. Exactly 40 minutes लगे मुझे. मैं एक लास्ट वर्स गा रहा हूँ. I think .40 नहीं लगे because 9:01 पे मैंने स्टार्ट किया था. 9:02 पे I started singing and 9:42 पे I stopped. अभी मेरे को लाइव गए हुए 42 मिनट्स हो गए हैं. Yes, and now many times must a man know about before he can hear people, he can see the sky, and how many ears must one man have before he can hear people cry. Yet and how many deaths will it take till he knows that too many people have died? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing, blowing in the wind. मैं थोड़ा fucked up हो रहा था अभी while I was documenting EODD. मेरा आर्काइव में तो बहुत पहले जा चुका था, और बीच बीच में मैं एग्जाम के टाइम थोड़ा थोड़ा सेव करके जस्ट बेयरली इट जस्ट मेड इट. फिर आज आई थिंक सक्सेसफुली हम थोड़ा ऊपर आ गए टू द आर्काइव, एंड आई थिंक मैंने अभी लगाया था, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, अपलोड पे. सो या आई थिंक आई हैव डन टिल 893. Oh, thumbnail time. देखो मैं कितनी जल्दी जल्दी thumbnail सेलेक्ट करता हूँ. 1 दिख ही नहीं रहा. वाओ, ओ वाओ, अरे क्या है ये, thumbnail ही नहीं दिख रहे, क्या है ये अरे क्या है ये, thumbnail नहीं दिख रहे. बहुत बीटी है, देखो चेक्स भी आते हैं. क्या बीटी है, आगे thumbnail. क्या बीटी है, थंबनेल नहीं आ रहे. 840 हुआ है. उत्सुकर एक समा. बाय द वे, रेडियो कमेंट आज मेरे को रिप्लाई करना चाहिए. RIP 874 लव कर देता हूँ मैं, पिन कर देता हूँ, पिन. उसमें शायद कुछ लिखा हुआ था अनपिन, उसमें कुछ लिखा हुआ था पिन. If you already pinned a comment, this will replace a pin. मुझे लगा इसमें लिखा है if this is the only comment, then why are you pinning it? मैंने कहा YouTube इतना वो कैसे हो गया. Did you make a YouTube channel, like you get what I'm saying, a Google account just to just to comment on EOTD? That's sweet. हाँ रे, तो क्या इंस्पेक्शन का आई मेरे मेरे मैं लेटा हुआ था, मैं नींद में था, वो फोटो खींचने लग गया, मेरे को बहुत वियर्ड लगा. 147 व्यूज आए हैं, 5 लाइक्स. ओ माय गॉड, कुछ नहीं है इस वीडियो में, लिटरली एक स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग है. व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद पीपल? पर हाँ, वो आई, फोटो खींचने लग गई और मेरे को बहुत वियर्ड लग रहा था ऑनेस्टली. देन मैं थोड़ा सा उसको लुक दे के बाहर खड़ा हो गया. मैंने कहा खींच फोटो और निकल. I think my friend was sleeping and they might have entered his room. Sorry. कल मैं अम्यूजमेंट पार्क जा रहा हूँ. मैं बहुत एंग्जाइटेड रहता हूँ. हैप्पी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे. Yeah, kinda high to you. Anxiety, yeah, exactly. Anxiety. Bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. May God bless you. Try to have good night, good night, Renu, good night, good night, Renu, good night, good night, na 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 na. मैं समझ गया emojis. Good night, good night, 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 night. Start into music. ऑल्सो मैंने रियलाइज करा आज डॉक्यूमेंटिंग से पहले कि इट्स हेल्पफुल इफ EOTD शुरू होती मैं बोलूं कि विच EOTD इट इज. So I think as soon as EOTD starts, I'm gonna try and sing कि welcome to EOTD 915. Like, you know. Because जब मैं वो देख रहा था, I literally have only audio. और मेरे को ढूंढना पड़ेगा, तो इससे अच्छा शुरू होते ही मैं बोल दूँ. एक सिस्टमैटिक EOTD को भी हमें थोड़ा सा इजी पड़ेगा. गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट.